Fix old cameras.
Oftentimes, when installing light seal material into the film door groove that has a jig-jog along the groove, the light seal material will not lay flat in the jig-jog. It will want to twist on you. If that's the case, then separate the light seal into two pieces and install it as shown here. Trim the foam at an angle where it meets the jig, and also trim the angle of the foam where it meets the jog. If using self-adhesive light seal strips, be sure to saturate the foam in alcohol as to neutralize the adhesive to make for easier installation. For additional demonstrations on the installation of light seal material, check out other Fix Old Camera videos.
Thank you for watching.